A school's journey is like a tapestry woven with moments of learning, achievements, and growth. The annual report is not just a summary of activities, it is a celebration of dedication, a testament to teamwork, and glimpse into the boundless potential of our students and staff.
Our young minds will now take us on a journey through this year's remarkable progress and achievements as they proudly present the annual report 2024 to 2025.
A very good evening to our honored guests, our dear parents and well-wishers. A warm welcome from the Montfortian family. We are indeed thrilled to present the delightful happenings during the year 2024 to 2025 through our annual report. So, let the accomplishment wash over you with contentment as we present our jubilant and heartwarming animation to you.
Orientation, with a view to be constructive and dynamic professionals and to equip teachers. The year began with a refreshing orientation program for the teachers by Reverend Brother Soseraj on the topic Understanding Personalities in Today's Context and Stress Management. It was an interesting and fun-packed day.
Investiture ceremony. Leadership is not a position or a title. It is action and example. The first solemn occasion of the year 2024 to 2025. The 23rd investiture ceremony was held on 21st June 2024 and presided by Reverend Brother George Fernandez, Secretary and Correspondent of St. Louis College for Blind and Deaf, Adya. The chief guest in his message stated the leaders to carry their responsibilities wholeheartedly and be a role model. Parent-teacher meeting. It takes two hands to clap. A PTA meeting was organized on 6th and 9th July 2024 for high secondary and high school respectively. Parents appreciated and highlighted their opinion. The principal illuminated on the queries of the parents to promote holistic development.
Provincial Superior's visit. Our Provincial Superior, Reverend Brother George Padikara, officially visited our school on 18th July 2024. A special assembly was presented during which our Provincial Superior emphasized on the moral values and greatly appreciated the vast growth and motivated the students and staff to be bound with love.
Sports Day. The 23rd Annual Sports Day was held on 2nd August 2024 with vigor and enthusiasm. The chief guest, Dr. M. Sundar, Vice Chancellor, Tamil Nadu Physical Education and Sports University, encouraged our young athletes. Our athletes exhibited a dynamic display of march past, yoga and silimbam. Our guest of honor, Mr. Balin, Inspector of Police, St. Thomas Mount, alumnus, Santum Higher Secondary School, and Mr. Anthony Joel Prabhu, District Sports Officer, Hockey Coach, Tamil Nadu, motivated and greatly appreciated. The overall championship was backed by the blue team, the Montfort House.
Unified Sports Meet. The 13th Unified Sports Meet was hosted by our school on 16 November 2024. The chief guest of the day was Mr. Vikramaditya Menon, former national champion in tennis, was glad to be a part of the occasion for the differently able students and appreciated the efforts of our school in supporting and assisting them.
Special assemblies. This year, the classes were given a specific theme, highlighting moral values, scientific development, and lesson for social awareness. Celebrations. Treat your eye and so, with these celebrations and festivities that enriches your joy.
Birthday celebration. A birthday serves as a special day and a sign of gratitude for another year and to recognize and appreciate their life. The staff celebrated Reverend Brother Bhakyanathan, our Vice Principal's birthday on June 1st and made it a cherished moment by presenting a birthday card and gifts. The Montfort staff members also celebrate their birthday every month and share their joy.
Independence Day. To commemorate the 78th Independence Day of India, the students of Standard 6A and 6B celebrated the day with a true spirit of patriotism. The chief guest, Reverend Father Charles, the correspondent of Marian Matriculation Higher Secondary School, unfurled the national flag and shared a special message on the importance of recollecting and cherishing the sacrifice of our great freedom fighters.
Teachers' Day. It is a supreme art of teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Our school celebrated the Teachers' Day on 5th September with great enthusiasm. An entertaining program was organized by the students of class 12 as a gesture of love and gratitude. The principal congratulated the teaching and non-teaching staff and presented a memento.
Diwali celebration. Diwali, a colorful light festival, was celebrated with zeal and radiance by the students of Standard 7 A, B, C and D with coordination. The celebration symbolized light over darkness, spreading warmth and joy.
Children's Day. Children are a gift of God. Children's Day celebration is an ecstasy and the day of jubilation in our school. The campus was filled with gaiety and blooming face of children in vibrant attire. The teachers added essence to the atmosphere through cultural program. UNO Day. To mark the UNO Day and to create awareness, the students of Standard 8A organized an inspirational assembly and spotlighted the merits to live a life of harmony, peace and unity.
The International Day of People with Disabilities, amplifying the leadership of people with disabilities for an inclusive and sustainable future. We at Montfort School celebrated the World Disabilities Day on 3rd December 2024. The students of NIOS animated the assembly. Mr. Ravent, alumnus, gave a motivational speech. Our principal, Reverend Brother Stephen Xavier, appreciated the staff and students of NIOS for the phenomenal show.
Christmas, the reason for the season. Christmas, the blessed birthday of Jesus Christ, was celebrated with joy and happiness at Montfort. The students of grade 5 arrayed a wonderful program. The chief guest, Reverend Father Satish SVD, shared a special Christmas message. Love for mankind is the true spirit of Christmas.
Assistant Superior General's visit. A successful leader stands out by displaying his qualities of clear vision. Our Assistant Superior General, Reverend Brother Dhanaraj, along with our Provincial Superior, Reverend Brother George Padikara, officially visited our school on 17 December 2024. At the special assembly, Reverend Brother Dhanaraj greatly appreciated and motivated our students with the importance of the identity of being a Montfort student.
Pongal, fondly known as the Tamilar Tirunal and the Harvest Festival. It was celebrated in a traditional way
by the Tamil department staff and students. Mrs. Jasanta Anbarasi, Tamil teacher with more than 2 decades of experience from St. Helens High Secondary School, graced the occasion as chief guest. Sakari Pongal was made and distributed to all. Republic Day or 76th Republic Day Assembly was organized by Grade 4 A, B, C and D section collaborated together. Our principal, Reverend Brother Stephen Xavier, motivated the students to be a responsible citizen and obey the rules.
Green School Awards. We are proud that Montfort Matriculation Higher Secondary School has been rated once again Green School in the GSB audit 2024 to 2025. That makes us to the top 5% of the 4,000 plus schools which participated in the whole nation.
Achievers Award. Alpha College of Arts and Science conducted various competitions for higher secondary students. Montfort students participated and won cash award for group singing, project display and tech league. The overall championship trophy was backed by Montfort Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Inter and intra-school competition. National Space Day competition was held at SRM Ishwari Engineering College. Our students took part and won laurels to our school. Amalesh TT of Standard 9A won the first place in painting. Johan Ryan and Ruhan won the first place in quiz competition. Yellis Yutika, Darshini and Joe Prince bagged the first place in Ideathon competition.
Province level dance competition was held at Montfort Perungudi. All these competitions were conducted at inter-school level and Montfort St. Thomas Mount students won prizes at regional and state level. Our juniors won the competition and qualified for national level.
St. Louis Institute for Blind and Deaf, ADIA, conducted light music and drawing competitions. Our students won the first place in group and solo singing and the top 3 places in drawing competition. Franco Fiesta 2024, the French Cultural Fest, was held in Loyola College. Our students won the overall championship. Light music was conducted at St. Bede's. Our students participated and won laurels.
The intra-school competition in essay writing and elocution in English and Tamil, drawing and singing competition for all grades were conducted and the winners were given trophies and certificates. Spelby International exam was conducted. Our students have qualified for the national level.
Achievements in sports. Sports help in building character and leadership skill. Sports and games have been a vital source for motivation here at Montfort. In athletics, boys and girls under all the categories have qualified for the state level. In chess, Vishnu Dharan of Standard 10D emerged as winner and qualified for the state level.
In Taekwondo, MK Sunanda Nigan of Standard 10C took part in national level and bagged bronze medal. In boxing, senior and super senior boys won gold, silver and bronze in district level and were qualified for state level. The basketball under 17 boys bagged third place in district level. In table tennis tournament, Akhil Teja of Standard 11 qualified for state level.
In football, boys under 14 took part in district level and emerged as runner-up. Yogita of class 11A took part in state level in Silamam competition and won silver medal. Students participated in CM Trophy and won first place in long jump, second place in shot put and third place in discus throw.
Technology is a boon for civilized life. In robotics, we are proud to say that our students participated in various inter-school competitions across the state. Our students participated in the Mechathon 2024 International Robotics Competition held at Orchids International School, Perambakam, and was qualified for the finals held in Bengaluru and bagged the third place. The robotics team has been widely appreciated and we wish them success for their future endeavors.
Club activities. Club activities at Montfort plays a vital role in making learning fun. Scouts and Guides. We have a troop of 30 members in our Scouts and Guides patrol. Every week classes are conducted on Saturday to teach them their duties towards the society. The troop was taken to Besanagar for a program on awareness of corruption and bribery.
RSP, Road Safety Patrol, consists of about 30 active participants. Classes are conducted on every Saturdays to enrich the students about the safety measures.
NCC, the National Cadet Corps, is an active group in our school from the year 2015. The group consists of 50 cadets headed by Mr. Mesma. Parades, theory and practical classes are conducted. The cadets attended an annual camp held at Satyabama University.
Ethics and values. The Catholic children attend Mass on the first Friday of every month to encourage devotion. Every Thursday, our students of St. Patrick Parish take part actively in the Eucharistic celebration. As an innovative measure, the school, in collaboration with TIC, conducts effective programs on value education classes for students of Standard 10 and 11.
Seminar, many career guidance seminar and awareness programs are organized for the students of high secondary. Mr. Jay Prakash Gandhi, an eminent public speaker and student motivator, addressed the students on 16 November. Book Fair. A book fair was held in our school campus for 3 days from 12th August to 14th August 2024 in collaboration with great book publishers to encourage habitual reading. Term exams. Term exams were conducted and periodical PTA meeting for slow learners were held. The first 3 toppers of the class were appreciated in the assembly and awarded certificate as a motivation for the students.
Excursion. One-day trip to Queensland was organized on August 20, 2024 for the students of Standard 6, 7, 8. The children enjoyed the rides and water games. It was a funful day. The students of grade 9 to 12 was taken for a one-day tour to the exotic Pondicherry and had a glimpse of Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Auroville and Rock Beach.
Excursion. The students of Standard 9 to 12 were taken on a 3-day tour to Hyderabad, the ancient seat of the Nawabs, the modern seat of the film industry and IT corridors. They visited monuments like the Golconda Fort, Birla Mandir, the famous Charminar and Ramoji Film City, the world's largest film studio. The children enjoyed the vibrant, entertaining education trip.
To conclude, if you're planning for a year, sow rice. If you're planning for a decade, plant trees. If you're planning for a lifetime, educate people. With the mighty grace of God Almighty, the encouragement and tireless support of our principal, Reverend Brother Stephen Xavier, and our vice principal, Reverend Brother Pakhinathan, the enthusiastic cooperation of our teaching and non-teaching staff, we elevate with empowerment and teamwork. From the citadel of knowledge, children are soaring high and will be very successful in different capacities. A proverb says, a tree is known by its fruits. Let me conclude by asserting that the Montfort tree is known by its fruits. Long live Montfort!
Thank you, dear friends, for presenting such an inspiring account of our school's successful journey. It truly is. We Montfortians, being a part of this institution, is a privilege and source of pride.